please tell us about Philippines' message, especially to Chinese audiences?
The Philippine message to the Chinese audience and to the rest of the world is we are all brothers. The pavilion's main theme is woven because when you're talking of a weave, like in a cloth or in a carpet or in a tapestry, one strand is insignificant. It doesn't have value. The value of a strand will only be if it is woven together with the other strands. So, the whole is bigger and better than the sum of its parts. And the message here is we cannot thrive only as individuals. We have to thrive as part of a larger community, whether it's the family, whether it's our social community, or whether as a country with the rest of the other countries. We are woven together. China especially is important to us because China is a brother to us. Remember, in our blood flows Chinese blood. For many Filipinos, China has become part of our culture, part of our society, because Chinese cuisine in the Philippines is very popular. It has become part of Filipino culture.
Which one is your favorite Chinese cuisine?
Oh, Xiaolongbao?
Oh, it's from Shanghai.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
I really like Xiaolongbao. And not only me, the rest of my brother Filipinos, they also like other cuisines. And some of our traditional Filipino cuisine actually has source from China, like our pancit, which is really noodles. Our pancit, which is a main staple for parties in the Philippines, for merriment and festivities, it has its roots from China.
A lot of things happened in the world.
Yes.
Well, especially, for example, the diplomatic conflicts between us and Philippines,
Yes.
and also the trade war between
Yes.
the States and China.
Yes.
So, what do you think? Do you think it will affect here?
It's always been said that you can look at a glass that has water in it as either half full or half empty. If you focus on the half empty side, you're looking at nothing. A glass that has the water in it, that's half full, will be better seen as half full of water. Highlight on the positive things. And the positive things is one that enhances the positive qualities of both our nations. The Chinese, the Filipinos, we have positive qualities, we have positive relationships. Those are the things that need to be enhanced. And that's the purpose of this. Because, as I said, this woven theme can only work if all of us support each other as one. In diversity, there is beauty. There is one.
Are you nervous about what's going on in the world, the trade war, like it's splitting us? What
Oh.
do you think?
Our view is trade war is not good. We have to have mutual respect. So for our sovereignty, we have to have mutual respect for our respective and distinctive cultures and politics. But we should not focus on the negative things that can create or escalate the chaos or conflict. We have to de-escalate things by focusing on the positive side. Let our diplomats and economic managers work with each other. It's a very difficult and challenging situation right now for everyone. But as I said, the main emphasis should be hope. Hope that things will turn out for the better, no matter the adversities. Humanity has struggled through several conflicts. We just came out from the pandemic, but we all survived. And we all come out, if we work together, we all come out as one humanity. The pandemic is a very good example of how we manage conflicts or adversities as one humanity.